Alrighty, how's everybody doing? We're going to run through the Echolink bridge to your AllStar node, how to get Echolink connectivity to your actual AllStar node. First thing you want to do is you want to go to echolink.org and you want to click validation, and you want to, this will basically start the process. Put your call sign in here and click continue and follow the steps to get your call sign validated, and they will issue you a node number, a link number. You want your the node number is probably going to be like a 6, 7, 8 digit number, all numbers, and you're going to want to write that down. And it's also going to give you an area where you can put in a password. So you want to write all this stuff down. Okay, once you're validated and you get that stuff issued, you get notified via email, whatever. Now you can progress forward. The second thing you want to do is you want to go to your firewall, and if you look right in here, these are the ports you need to open in your router right here. UDP, 2 UDP ports, 5198, 5199, and a TCP port, 5200. This is so Echolink will have connectivity and it'll be able to communicate with your AllStar node. If you don't do this, good luck. So go ahead and get that in. Add those ports open on the router from our previous, the ports you opened previously in your initial setup. Go back in and do that. Let's see. Now we can, let me minimize this. We need to go into Winscp. We need to go into your node via Winscp. Log into your node. Okay, remember how we navigated through here in the setup? So from the root directory, you need to go to etc * Echolink. This is the directory you want. The first thing you need to do is click rename. What you're going to see is you're actually going to see this. Okay. What you're going to need to do is change that to .conf. So right click, rename, change that to .conf. Alright. Now we need to open this, and here's where we need to input all the information. So they're going to put an addendum on your call, a suffix on the suffix of your call. So mine is K1GMM-L. Okay, so here where it says call, you're going to need to replace the W3XYZ-L with your call sign with whatever they gave you. If you're, let's say, A1A, you need to put A1AN dash with whatever you got from Echolink. That needs to go in there. Your password that you set up in Echolink needs to go here. Go ahead and put your name, all the relevant information. I leave all of this alone. Max, STNS, RTCP timeout. I just leave that alone. I don't even mess with it because it's linked to your AllStar node anyways, and that's basically what's running it and controlling it. Node equals. This is your actual node number. Okay, it's going to be that 6, 7, 8 digit number. You need to put that in there, and then leave this alone. AST node, that's your AllStar node. So in my case, it would be 42445. I put that in there. Now for the server setup, I'm in the Northeastern, North America Northeast. So I go ahead and comment this out. Left click before the N and just backspace 1, and that will make this active. Depending on where you are, you can do some research and find out the best servers to use, but you can edit this. So if you're in, a certain area, there's information you can get on which server to use, but you can try it just default and see if it works. It should. Go down here. This is basically station description. And your latitude and longitude. Go ahead and put those in. I would do the latitude and longitude, definitely. The rest of the stuff, whatever. Not important. Okay, so once you're done with all that, hit save, top left corner. We do not want to save that. I don't, because my node is linked actually to the 43516. So if I do anything in here on the 4.5 and Echolink sees it, it'll drop the connection to the 1.6, and I don't want that. Okay, go ahead and start Putty. Log into your node. Root. Your password. Your AllStar, the password we set up in the first run script to get into your Pi. And go down to restart asterisk 1.3 and run selected items. I'm not going to do that because I made no changes and the node is actually up and running. And restart. Now what you want to do is you want to go back to Echolink. Okay? Go down to link status. And you want to navigate to your node. Give it maybe a few seconds or a few minutes to populate. If it's connected and Echolink sees it on your node, this is what you're going to see. So I know roughly where I am. I'm on page 7. So if I scroll down K1GMM-L, there I am. Shows connected. And that's connected to my AllStar node. So it's active. So if you see that, success. You did it. One note. Okay, well, let me point you to in this direction as well. docs.allstarlink.org/DRUPAL/node/12. This is a very good resource. This is on the allstarlink.org website. It's how to set up your Echolink node. So there you go. That's a good resource for you. Just a side note. If you connect the Echolink to your AllStar node, you will not be able to use Echolink on your cell phone or any other device, because if you log into your Echolink node, if you log onto the Echolink server via cell phone or anything else, it'll knock it out of your AllStar node. Now, chances are, if you just shut your phone off, if you kill Echolink on your phone or whatever you used to log in with and let it sit for a bit, sometimes it will reconnect. Oftentimes you'll have to go into Putty and restart or reboot the system, and just do a clean boot. And then the first thing Echolink will see is your Echolink connection on AllStar. That's just a warning for you. So the decision's up to you. If you want Echolink connected to your AllStar, which is very handy, because there's a lot of Echolink users, thousands and thousands of them all over the world. It does provide a very good bridge of connectivity to your AllStar system. There was something else. Here's another option for you. Because this AllStar, most people run what's called the simplex node. Simplex node is not a repeater. In other words, things being spit out of your node, people can hear, but you talking into it oftentimes are just on an HT. Like I am, most people don't use a high-powered mobile rig to talk into your node. You do if you're mobile, of course. But if somebody comes in on your node and you come back to them and they're hitting your node via RF, they're not going to hear you on an HT if they're, a few miles up the road or something. So one option is to use Echolink. Don't connect it to your AllStar system. Go ahead and get an Echolink node and use that as almost it turns your AllStar node into a pseudo repeater. So you can talk into your Echolink node, which you just linked to your AllStar node, and it will basically everything that you say into your HT will be spit out of your node. It will be transmitted out of your node, so your system's always in transmit. So that's kind of handy way to kind of cross-band repeat, Anyways, hope that helps, and that explains some things about Echolink and AllStar. Look for you on the bands, and hope to hear you on AllStar. Have fun. It's a great system. Thanks for watching K1GMM.